Hey guys, Vape Diver here. Gonna do a quick video on a couple of different builds I got going on in the Rio Grande. So gonna be a short one. Just want to show you how I'm vaping the Rio these days, and just thought I'd share it with you guys. And here we go. So here's looking down on the Rio Grande, and you'll see your juice hole here. And as you guys know, on the Rio, the top cap's air hole is situated about right here. So instead of this coil being, lateral with the screw heads, it's actually perpendicular to the screw heads and actually lines up with the air hole in the RM2's top cap. So basically, when you draw, the air is going straight through that coil. So that has really been performing awesome. And I'm not actually wicking the coil. I'm actually wrapping the wicking material, which is hemp, around the coil. So I kind of want to show you that. You can, you adjust your coil into this orientation with it lining up with the air hole. And then you could take some cotton and wrap it around the coil in place, or actually wrap the wicking material around the coil before the leads are attached to the posts, which that's how I'm going to show you. I'm going to take off the coil, wrap the hemp around it, and then reinsert the coil back into the device, and just kind of show you, how the coil looks with it wrapped. Couple other things. I keep about 1 millimeter of distance between the front part of the coil and the rim of the RM2. So it's out there quite far. And like I said, the height of the coil is basically in line with the hole. So that gives you your height of the coil as well. So I'm going to take the coil off and show you how I wrap that with the wick. Alright guys, so I got a little length of hemp. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around the coil, the outside of the coil, and just put a little blanket around it. That length of wick is about the same length of wick that you would use to wick the coil traditionally. Probably about 3/4 of an inch long. And it just looks something like that when it's done. Just the outside of the coil. And like I said, you could do this the other way. You can go ahead and install your coil, and then just kind of reach down in there and wick around it, and kind of pull it around and through, and then wick it, juice it up a little bit. And we'll just go ahead and put that back into the post. But yeah, pretty simple little wrap coil there. Works really good. So we'll put it back into the RM2. So you can see, basically the coil's just got a wrap of wicking material around it. You just want to leave the open end of the coils open. And, you just want to go around maybe one wrap of the cotton or whatever you're using around the coil, maybe a whole turn and a quarter. That's kind of the way mine worked out. I wrapped it around once and then came back up top and then just tucked the extra between on the side of the post. But as long as the front of your coil and the back of your coil is open, you're good to go. Pretty simple. You just got to get, the coil lined up, with the air hole in the RM2 top cap, and you're good to go. It's really simple build, and the performance is really good. I think the flavor on this compared to a regular, horizontal coil, wicked horizontal coil is it's a lot better. It's worth a try, guys. Easy little build. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I got another quick little quick coil to show you too. I don't know if you guys can really pick up that coil, but it's like tri-twisted ribbon. Got a little test piece from a buddy of mine on the forum, and I guess they call it Mundy's Magic ribbon wire. Alexander Mundy. I've seen the video. He has it on YouTube. How he actually twists it, but it's really pretty neat stuff. Sort of like a netting in a way. When the coil, the cotton or whatever gets in there, there's a lot more surface area in the grooves of the actual coil, because it's 3 strands or 2 strands doubled up ribbon all twisted together. But it makes for a really good vape. I got a little piece here, maybe be able to see it a little bit better. Pretty neat stuff. So definitely brings up the vape another notch from round wire. So if you guys ever get a chance, do a YouTube search on Alexander Mundy Magic ribbon wire, M-U-N-D-Y. Pretty good stuff. One more thing, guys, especially for those who do go low, some low ohms in the Rio. It's imperative that you clean those contacts. I took a regular nail file, took the end off of it, but that little abrasive there works really good on the firing pin of the Rio. I take the juice bottle out, give me a little bit more room, and depress the fire button to bring down the firing pin. And as that's depressed, I go ahead and take this file and vigorously file the end of that firing pin. It's very important. You will lose some, some contact there if you don't do that on a regular basis. I do that once a week. We're waiting on Rob to have a kit. He's making a kit. It's a low ohm kit for the Rio, which will include a different firing pin, maybe a hot spring down here, just for those connection issues that people are having, like under 6.6 ohms. I don't quite go under 0.6. I'm in the 7 range, and if I don't clean those contacts and apply the Noalox to the battery, positive end of the battery every week, I can definitely tell the difference in performance. So if you guys aren't doing that and notice a little drop in performance, go ahead and sand that firing pin down. And like I said, you don't have to be gentle with it. You can go ahead and take a file and rough it up real good, and then dab a little Noalox, which comes with the Rio when you bought it. It's in a little clear baggie, looks like grease. Been through that and bought a bigger bottle at a department store. So yeah, that's about what I got for the Rio. I got the magic coil, tri-twisted ribbon in there, wicked with some hemp, and gonna enjoy the vape. That's all I got for the Rio, guys. Yeah, give that perpendicular coil a try. If you're using a regular, just a regular standard micro coil, you won't believe the difference in performance, in flavor, should I say, that you will get putting that first coil I showed you and wrapping the outside with the cotton or whatever. Works really, really good. And then if you ever, want to do a little modding yourself and want to twist some of this wire up, it's another level, guys. So anyways, Vape Diver out, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. By the way, guys, this is the hemp fibers that I'm using now. There's a website called hemptraders.com, and they sell this stuff. Right now you got to buy a kilo of it. I got some from a buddy of mine, and I'm really, really liking it. It's got a better flavor. It lasts a little longer. I think it wicks a little bit better. I think it's got a cleaner taste. You do have to prep it. You got to boil it a few times and wash it and all that. But I mean, you do a batch of that, you're good to go for months. But I think it's $14 for a kilo at Hemp Traders. If you guys ever wanted to give it a try, I think it's well worth it. So there again, guys, Vape Diver out. Thanks for watching.